Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily connect your Activision ID to your YouTube account or YouTube channel. Now, it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred browser, head down to youtube.com, sign into your existing YouTube account which you want to link, and go to the top right corner where your profile picture appears. Now, from here you want to go down into the settings. And from these settings, you want to open up the connected apps. Now here you already see the Activision ID option. Simply press connect. Now hence you can only do this from your personal account, so no other YouTube channel. Simply press connect, and from there continue to connect accounts. Now once you've signed into the Activision ID, both accounts will be linked, and from there you can use the benefits of the connected accounts. Now it's easy as that. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.